Good day, ma'am. I am third year criminology student Bersosa. For today's video, I will going to discuss the following based on what I've learned during our discussion. So, first is the difference between heat and fire. So, heat is a form of energy transfer that can raise the temperature of a substance. It can be transferred through conduction, convection, or radiation. On the other hand, fire is a specific chemical reaction known as combustion. It involves the rapid oxidation of a material, usually accompanied by the release of heat and light. While heat is a general concept related to energy transfer, fire is a specific manifestation of that energy transfer through the combustion process. The next is the mode of heat transfer. So, heat transfer occurs through three main modes. First, this mode involves the transfer of heat through direct contact between particles within a substance. Energy is passed from more energetic particles to less energetic ones, causing an increase in temperature. So number two is the convection. Heat transfer through the movement of fluids, liquids, or gases. Warmer, less dense regions rise, while colder, denser areas sink, creating a continuous circulation of heat. Then number three, radiation. This mode involves the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves, such as infrared radiation. It doesn't require a medium and can occur through a vacuum, like the sun's heat. So, let's proceed to the stages of fire. The stages of fire typically involve four main phases. So, first is the ignition. This is the starting phase where a combustible materials come into contact with a sufficient heat source, resulting in the initial ignition of the material. It marks the beginning of the fire. So number two, the growth. After ignition, the fire enters the growth stage. During this phase, the flames intensify and the fire spreads rapidly. The heat generated by the burning material sustains the combustion process, so the fire seeks additional fuel to consume. Then number three, fully developed. The fully developed stage is the peak of the fire's intensity. The flames are at their largest and the fire is releasing a significant amount of heat and energy. This stage represents the maximum combustion and often poses the greatest danger. So number four, the decay. In the decay stage, the available fuel starts to diminish and the fire weakens. The flames become smaller and the temperature decreases. Eventually, the fire may self-extinguish or may require external intervention such as firefighting efforts or the exhaustion of available fuel sources. Understanding this stage is crucial for fire safety and firefighting, as different strategies employed